If you're running into the GOG download error E4, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest fix step by step. This issue can be frustrating when you're trying to install a game, especially if the regular download method keeps failing. The good news is that there's a reliable workaround, and it usually comes down to using the offline backup game installer for the specific game you want to install. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to the official GOG website. Once you're there, sign into your GOG account using the same account that owns the game you're trying to download. This is important because the offline installer files are tied to your library. After you're signed in, head over to your games page. You should see a list of all the games linked to your account. Find the title of the game that's giving you the error and click on it to open the games page. On that page, look for the option that says Download Offline Backup Game Installers. This is the key fix for the E4 download problem because instead of relying on the standard download process, you'll be getting the full offline installer package directly. Once you click that option, GOG should show you the available files for the game. Now download the main executable file, which is the .exe file, and also make sure you download any associated data files, which are usually .bin files. These files work together, so if you only download the .exe without the matching data files, the installation may fail. After all of the files finish downloading to your computer, locate the setup file and run it. If Windows asks for permission, click yes so the installer can start, then just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. In most cases, this method completely bypasses the download error and gets your game installed without any extra troubleshooting. If you still don't see the option right away, double check that you're signed into the correct GOG account and that you opened the correct game page. Also make sure all the installer parts are fully downloaded before launching the setup file because incomplete files can cause new errors. This offline backup method is one of the most effective ways to fix GOG download error E4, and it's a great workaround to remember anytime the normal download method gives you trouble. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.